Hi, here is the Fujifilm Super 120 AZ overall conditions, and here is the battery compartment, and it's using one CR1038 battery. After that, by pulling here up to open the back cover, inside will be like this, and here is the center film. At first, we need to put the film in first by fitting here. Yeah, it's like this. You must fit like this. Then you just push it up. Then the film tip, you can see there's a arrow showing you the way to insert the film tip yeah, so you just put that here, then just close it and it will auto load. Okay, you see, if you look to the max first, then only you can start shooting. Yeah, because normal film they will just load to number 1 then start shooting. Yeah, so now you can start shooting by clicking the power button at here, the red button, and here is the zoom in and zoom out. Then here is the shutter and viewfinder. You look into the viewfinder, at the center point there got the dot or bracket, so you just use that bracket to aim whatever you want to focus. It's an indicator then aim and half press the shutter. Okay, if here the light is light up like this, which means that you're okay to shoot, then you just click it. If it's blinking or didn't light up, which means that the current situation is not allowed to shoot, so maybe you wait for a while or slightly adjust a bit, aim. Yeah, and here this is the flash setting. Now here it doesn't appear anything, which means that it's fully auto. If you click it, radar reduction, this one is force flash. No matter what environment, it will trigger the flash. This one is off the flash, landscape mode, night mode. Yeah, fully auto. And here is the timer 1 2 3, and this one is the remote. Yeah, well, it doesn't come with remote, so you can't use the function. And here's the date setting. By clicking it, you can adjust it, like maybe click for a while. I think about the date yeah, oops, when it blink, which means that you can edit already. Yeah, adjust by here, then click edit again, switch and switch. Okay, adjust by your preference and this one is the time. Okay, if you don't want the date imprinting function, then you just click until like this, which means that it's fully empty. Yeah, then when you should finish, it will auto revive, so no worry in using, and hope you enjoy it.